Hello friends, today we will discuss about how can we able to create the wind load, apply the wind load on the concrete structure. So this is the structure I have created and also assign the properties and the supports. Now it's time to how can we able to apply the loading, that is a beam wind load on the structure. So these are all my property, that is plate properties, beam and column properties. This is my support, that is fixed support I have applied to the base. Now click on the loading and expand the definitions. There is option for the wind definition. We can create a wind definition according to our use. Just click on wind definition and below this option click on add. Type 1 is close. Select the type 1 and click on the add. In the add window we can provide the intensity versus height and also click on calculate as per SC7, and from here we have to just select some parameter. Wind basic is 45 meter per second, and type of structure, structure is the building type, and consider wind setup we have to select or not. Just click on OK. So I have defined the intensity versus height. Just click on add and give the factor is 1 and click on close. Just select the exposure and assign it all to all the joints. Just assign to view, assign yes. So I have assigned all the exposure. Now I have to create the load case details. Just go to the load case details and expand the loading type, that is a wind, and give a title, that is a wind in x direction. Now we have to create the wind in minus x direction, and now wind in z direction and wind in minus z direction. I have created the four directions. Now let's see how can we able to apply the values. Just select the wind x, just click on add. Here is an option for wind load. Just select the wind load. We have to define the direction, that is x in windward phase, and we have to define the y range, that is 0 to 40, and z range 0 to 40. Just click on add close. So this is my wind load applied in the positive x direction. Just select the wind minus x, add, select the factor is -1, direction is factor is -1, and x and z 0 to 40. Again I have to apply the wind in minus x direction. Now select the direction in z direction, apply the particular z windward pressure, and factor is 1. Click on add close. So we can apply the particular in wz same as w minus z, but factor is -1, and range is same for x and z directions according to our building dimension. So I have defined the range and wind direction in the StatPro Connect edition. So I have to create all the load cases, that is load and dead load and live load. I have created a dead load and a live load. In the dead load, just select the dead load, click on add. Factor self-load factor -1, just select the live load and click on add. In the live load I have to member load, that is a -2 kilonewton per meter, and also floor load -3 kilonewton per meter square. Y range is 0 to 50. Just click on OK. Now assign the self weight to all the structures and member load to all the particular beams, beam parallel to x and beam parallel to z, and click on assign to selected beam, assign. Now I have to create the to load combination. Just click on load combination, generate tab, and click on add close. So these are all the combination which is created by the StatPro Connect edition according to Indian code. Just go to the analysis, define command, then I have to add the command and click on run analysis and save. It will analyze the structure whether any warning and any error is shown. It will shown on the
then
screen.
we'll see the deflection deflection by
It is analyzing the structure.
so I click on loading, open my own loads. Okay, this is my own loads. Now just right click
So
on
these are all my the wind load
load
cases. Just right click, just click on labels
animation,
and click on the particular animation.
deflection showing.
We can create the animation for the
Now
deflection
picture will behave like
easily. Just scale after scaling down.
so
This
we
is my
can
animation for the wind load in X direction. For the wind load in minus X direction, we can easily create the deflection pattern, which I have already been defined
okay. Just go to
according to
post
our
processing.
use. Just go to the post processing and click on OK.
I just
These are
click
all my beam
on
results, and we can also
see
apply the maximum bending moments, and these are all the my maximum positive and negative bending moments.
so just go to
And we can
layout,
click on layouts. In the layout we can easily
right click on
select the graphs of the shear force bending moment for the particular members. I have to
okay.
just select the particular SFDPMD on the particular loads also.